All right. So if Photopea is lagging or running slow for you in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple fixes to make it run much smoother, step by step. First thing you should do is close extra tabs in your browser. Yeah, if you've got too many tabs open, your computer uses more memory and Photopea starts slowing down. Just keep the important tab open and close the rest. Next, check your project size. If you're working with very large images or too many layers, Photopea can lag a lot. So try flattening layers you don't need or work with smaller images if possible. Here's a simple trick. Zoom out a bit. When you're zoomed in too much, Photopea has to render more details, which can cause lag. Just set it to a normal view like 50% or fit to screen. If it's still lagging, go ahead and clear your browser cache. Old stored data can slow down web apps over time. After clearing, restart your browser and try again. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, can also cause lag. Try turning them off temporarily and see if performance improves. If nothing works, try switching to a faster browser like Chrome or Edge. Also, make sure your device isn't running too many background apps. Yeah, sometimes it's just your system being overloaded. And yeah, that's how you fix Photopea lagging problems in 2026. Follow these steps and your editing should feel way smoother. All right.